Hello, we are back. Credit K's YouTube channel where we bring you great information about personal credit, business credit, anything finance related, investing, Bitcoin, stocks, new crypto bull run. We're on it. Anything money minded, I'm here to discuss it. Of course, we're here on a Mogul Mindset Monday. Stay tuned for the Mogul Mindset podcast coming soon. But let's get into it. Don't forget to hit that like button, smash the subscribe button because I'm here daily. Yes, daily with credit content, financial content, and financial literacy. Today, we are going over a $10,000 business building credit loan from none other than Credit Strong. They have a personal product as well as business products. They work sort of like self and other secured loans or secured credit cards where they help build your credit score by you depositing a small amount on the personal side. But we're here today to talk about the business side of things and how it can be used to build your business credit score. All right. All right. So, Credit Strong, how it works. What they do is give you a $10,000 loan and they give you a term, whether it's going to be 5 years or 10 years or down, maybe smallest one is 3 years. And they give you the loan and you pay back over the loan, and those payments report to business credit, Equifax, and net pay. So they don't report to Paydex, Dun& Bradstreet, or Experian Business, but they do report to Equifax and Net Pay. So to be eligible, you need to have an EIN number. You need to own more than, you need to be pretty much the only owner of the LLC that you're applying for. You can't be any agricultural business. Because if you are in any agricultural business, farming, hemp, marijuana cultivation, you will be denied. So let's see some of the things here. This is a little cool feature I was playing with earlier. Just to see if you're qualified. So like I said, of course, you need your EIN number. No, you cannot be any agriculture or farmer. Yes, you want your LLC, S Corp, or C Corp. Do you own at least 25% of the business? Does anyone else own 25%? So they want you to be majority owner, pretty much the only owner when you're applying for this. Is your business registered with the state? So you need to be at least 3 years old. So if you're a brand new business, they will verify with the Secretary of State and that you apply and register your business with that state. So you can't really rely on that one. So just make sure that your business is at least 3 months old. And if it's not, then just wait for the 3 month mark and you can apply. So let's kind of go over some of the stuff in the application. We're not going to go into this because we do not need to know all that information. Let's see some of the money that you will have to put down for this opportunity. So business pricing with Credit Strong Business, you can quickly apply and easily build 10,000 of installment and loan payments. So as I said, they offer you a $10,000 loan, and you can have options to pay 5 year or 10 year. So of course, you do the 5 year, you have to pay back more money in order to pay back the 10,000. If you do 10 years, a little bit less, but you're going to be paying way more in interest. So I don't advise that unless you just want that 10-year plan. But 5 year is fine, and you can cancel at any time with no payment penalties. They'll just probably just pay back whatever you have left over, and then they'll close it out. But like I said, they're not actually giving you the $10,000. The 10,000 is held in a secured account, and you're just paying that money back over time. So That's how it works. And let's see, can we make withdrawal during the life of the loan? Lock, place commercial savings account. So you, like I said, you don't have actual access to the money. It's actual locked in a served savings account, and it's not able to withdraw. Once it matures, once you pay it back all the time, the lock is removed and the funds in the savings account are available to you at that time. So not until you pay back the full 10K amount or make all the payments will it offer you the money. Do you perform a hard or soft pull? No, there is no hard pull for the loan. So this is a no credit check loan of sorts. All right. You can temporarily suspend it. Um, you may terminate credit strong at any time. No prepayment, no early terminations. Um, what happens if my business information changes? So if you do, update your business information during the 5 year, 10 years of the loan, you're able to change that. There's contact information and compliancy. So like I said, this credit builder loan is like I said, it's like a self on the business side. You kind of they give you the money up front, you kind of pay on it over time. But like I said, there's no credit check, no money you have to put out your pocket. Unlike self, you have to put in at least $500 with self. With this one, you don't have to. Now I have a lot more of personal credit builder loans, as well as business credit builder trade lines. One of the great business personal credit builder is called Grain. I'm going to do a video on Grain tomorrow and about the way it's extremely easy to get approved for. Unfortunately, it's only available for Apple iOS phones and iPad users. So you have to have an iPhone or iPad to get approved for that Grain. But I'll do a video for that. But for the business, credit strong, no credit check, um, no hard pulls. Have to be in business at least only 3 months, so it's great for startup businesses. You just have to pay $199 a month, and it reports to the Equifax business. Really not worth it in my opinion because Experian Business is the main credit bureau that these loan companies pull from in order to approve you. So right now, Credit Strong is not that high on my list of trade lines or vendors to get business credit through. But like I said, if you're a new startup business and you need trade lines, it is one of the great places to go. All right. So, like I said, don't forget to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button. Until next time, guys.